So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, if you already signed up for Uber and you forgot to use a referral code, you didn't know anybody, or you didn't watch our videos, and if you already signed up for Uber, maybe you just signed up, or maybe you signed up a while ago and you never did use a referral code, you can still get your bonus. You can still get your referral bonus. I know a lot of people don't know that, or when I tell them, they're like, wow, then I had no idea. And right now, guys, because of everything that's going on, it is better time than ever to sign up or to apply the referral code. It literally is 8 steps. The instructions are down below. It's super easy. We don't need any of your info. You just apply our info. Again, it's super easy. This is the Rideshare Hub. Take advantage of this. It could be $1,000, could be $1,500. It might only be $100, but still, I could use that money right now, and I'm sure you can too. So go ahead. It's the sign up bonus for Uber. The instructions are down below. It's super easy, super simple. Okay, I just wanted to tell you guys. Now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan, and thank you so much for coming by. I really do appreciate it. I do not say that lightly. I really do appreciate you guys coming by. We are in a very interesting time. It's getting a little weird out there. It's getting a little quieter now. People are just finally starting to chill out. People are not screaming at each other. I'm not getting those calls anymore with my friends. Oh my God, this is crazy, this is crazy. Everyone's like, we get it. This is a new lifestyle. Even my buddy texted me last night. Shout out Christian. You're definitely not watching this, but he told me, it was like, he's like, I think life's gonna be different now. He's like, I think it's gonna be different for a long time. Like, I don't think this is something that's gonna end quickly. I think we're gonna kind of be like this for a couple years, you know? A little social distancing, a little hesitant, a little scared. You know, no more huge festivals. Just too much risk, you know? No more even huge parties. Like, people are just gonna be a little bit more on edge. So yeah, I mean, it's just going a little yeah, a little it's just going a little crazy out there, you know? But yeah, anyways guys, so today I'm gonna sync up my phone here. We're talking about how Uber and Lyft drivers are included in the stimulus bill, which means are Uber and Lyft drivers getting money from the stimulus bill? Well, if it passes, then yes, but if it doesn't pass or if it's modified, then no. But yeah, anyways, let's sync. By the way, guys, I am no legal or political expert, so if anything I say in this video is wrong, then yeah, just know that this is a blog. This is a YouTube blog, and I'm just sharing what I read on the internet, and I could be wrong. So just take everything I say with a grain of salt. Shoot, it's raining and I don't have an umbrella. I need to go inside. Okay, but anyways, let's get started. That's another problem for another day or another hour. Here we go. I'm gonna sync up my phone here, and you guys can all read along with me, and I can share you guys with the news and also, you know, explain to you how I understand it. So here we go. Yes, Uber and Lyft drivers are included in stimulus bill. This is from Axios.com. So I'm going to scroll down in 3, 2, 1, scroll. Corona's rescue bill extends unemployment benefits to gig economy. This is by Kia Kok Alicheva. Photo by Justin Sullivan. Shout out Getty Images. Here we go. If you guys don't like politics or, you know, history, don't worry. I'll make this fun. As part of the bipartisan deal, yes sir, and that's on Ja. As part of the bipartisan deal, Senate leaders and the White House struck early Wednesday, unemployment benefits will be extended to groups including gig economy workers, per a statement from Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer. So what does that mean? Get to that in a second. Why it matters. Here we go. Listen up, guys. This is an unprecedented expansion of benefits to gig economy workers. Who are gig economy workers? Worth talking about Uber drivers, Lyft drivers, Uber Eats drivers, food delivery drivers, DoorDash drivers, Grubhub drivers, Postmates drivers, Caviar drivers, TikTokers. No, probably not TikTokers. Anybody who does gigs, guys. You know what I'm talking about. Instacart. You know what I mean? Here we go. Who have been classified as independent contractors instead of employees by ride-hailing food delivery companies, among others. Flashback. On Monday, Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi sent a letter to President Trump asking government to include gig economy work in the stimulus bill. On Friday, Khosrowshahi spoke with Schumer and had reached out to Senate Speaker Nancy Pelosi and Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell, though it's unclear if they spoke. Details. Per Amy Schumer's letter to Democratic senators, unemployment benefits would extend to 4 months instead of 3. That's good. Can I apply to this thing? Unemployment benefits? I just realized that. Can I get unemployment? I don't know. Can YouTubers get unemployment? Can TikTokers get unemployment? Guys, I just hit 100,000 followers on TikTok. Details. Per Schumer's letter to Democratic senators, unemployment benefits, blah, 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 workers would get normal benefits from their state, which, I don't know, maybe is like $1,000 or $2,000 a month. Probably $2,000 a month, plus an additional $600 per week from the federal package. So, right there, guys, what's that? 600 times 4, that's 2,400. Plus, you know, that 2,000 or whatever. You're talking 4,000 or 5,000 a month. Ish, you know? Ish. I say that because, you know, that's just how I comprehend it. But it sounds like we could be making $5,000 a month, 4 or 5 grand a month. That's not bad at all. I mean, that's what, 48,000, 60,000 a year? Heck, why go to work at all when you can just rake in cash? Play in the stock market, right? Here we go. Yes, but there's always a but, guys. There's always a but. Not might be the but you're looking for. I don't know if you're a guy or a girl watching this, but trust me, we know the good buts. This is a bad but, probably. Here we go. It's not clear yet exactly how the math of the benefits will be applied to gig workers, as the exact details of the bill have not yet been released. So we will have to wait still, guys. So I will make an update video when that does all come out. Here we go. As with traditional employees, the payout will likely vary for these workers based on various factors. Wah, wah, wah. So gig workers, again, being left in the drain for dust to catch the sewer water after it's been poured down the glorious mountains. See what I did there, guys? The employees are the people on the mountains. We're the ones getting the gutters. Here we go. Now what's next? The exact language of the bill, once released, should show whether other gig economy requests, namely Airbnb, that is short-term rental hosts, received tax credits and loan, made the cut. Go deeper. Yeah, so here we go. There are few positions for Silicon Valley in the massive $2 trillion bucks. We don't really care about that. However, some startups are facing layoffs and shutdowns, and millions of gig economy workers and Airbnb hosts are being strained by the sudden shift in consumer behavior. So why does this matter for Uber and Lyft drivers, guys? And how do you get the money? So first of all, I'm going to talk about why it matters, and then secondly, I'm going to talk about how to get the money. So why does this matter? Because Uber and Lyft drivers now cannot go out and make $1,000, $2,000 a week by driving 40, 50 hours, you know? It's a lot harder right now because, well, it could be clearly impossible. If you're going out and driving for Uber and Lyft right now and you're making over $1,000 a week, I would be shocked. I would be like, you are a saint. $1,000 a month, guys, or a week right now? That's absolutely bonkers. There's no one out going taking rides. Firstly, it's raining. Secondly, all the jobs are closed. Thirdly, all the universities are shut down. Fourthly, all restaurants are closed. Fifthly, all bars are closed. Sixthly, all nightclubs are shut down. Seventhly, gyms are closed. Eighthly, arcades are closed. Ninthly, bowling alleys are closed. And tenthly, guys, you guys know what I mean, people are not trying to go out and get sick right now. So Uber and Lyft drivers cannot make that much money. So what do they need to do? They need to include Uber and Lyft drivers in this package, guys, so we can rake in the dough just like everybody else is. Like, let's say you work for Google or something and you're not going into work right now. Well, you are probably working from home since they're an internet company, but let's say you work for T-Mobile, right? Let's say you work for T-Mobile. This is a good example. You work for T-Mobile in a store and you sell people phone plans and phones, right? Well, no one's going in to shop for phones, so what are you doing? You're sitting at home. Maybe they have some jobs for you, but maybe it's not enough, so you can't work. I don't really know how this works. I guess what I'm saying is maybe not Sprint, because they're honestly probably just doing paid sick leave. They're probably just giving people paid sick leave. But so let's say you work for let's say you work full-time for a local restaurant, a mom and pop restaurant, and they say, I'm sorry, well, we cannot give you paid sick leave, so we're laying you off. Well, once you get laid off, you can file for unemployment. But Uber and Lyft drivers, it's like, well, we still technically do have our jobs, but we're not getting paid. So this brings to my next point. How do you get the money? Well, first of all, we're gonna have to wait for this thing to come out. But there is something you can do now, which is apply for unemployment. So I think you're gonna have to stop driving completely and try to do unemployment. You just have to go online, guys, and type in file unemployment for your state, because it is a state thing, I believe. It's a federal thing as well, but it's mainly, you know, from the state. So type in unemployment, whatever state you're in, and file for it now. Who cares, you know? Do you want to go out and be doing Uber and Lyft rides and risk yourself getting sick? I feel like you're in the same position as, like I said, that chick who works at full-time at a restaurant who just got laid off. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, that's it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye.